Can we add a picture after posting on Instagram? If you've ever posted something on Instagram and then realized you forgot to add another picture, don't worry. Today we'll figure out how to do so in Instagram post after we've already posted it. So let's get started. First, let's open up our Instagram app and make sure you're logged into your account. Now simply head over to your profile and go to the post where you want to add a picture. In our picture here we can find three dots. Let's tap on it. Here we can find various options like share to Facebook, archive, hide like count, hide check count, turn off commenting, edit, pin to your profile and delete. Let's tap on edit to see more options. Once you tap on edit, we can find the options to add location, tag people, and also add some text or write caption. But there is no option to add picture. But the only way to technically add a photo after posting is to simply delete the old picture and repost it with the new added photo. And that's it. That's the only way how you can add a photo to your Instagram post after posting.